Have you ever glanced at your nails and noticed those vertical ridges running up and down? Maybe you thought they were harmless or just a normal part of aging, but what if I told you they could reveal hidden health issues? That's right. Your nails are like tiny windows into your body's inner workings, and those ridges could be sending you an important message. In today's video, we're uncovering the real causes behind vertical ridges on your nails and, more importantly, how to fix them naturally. From nutrient deficiencies to stress and even digestive health, we'll explore 6 surprising culprits and give you actionable steps to restore your nail health and overall well-being. Let's dive in, you won't want to miss this. 1. Anemia, the iron and B12 deficiency connection. One of the most common causes of deep vertical ridges is anemia, often stemming from a deficiency in iron or vitamin B12. These nutrients are essential for producing healthy red blood cells that transport oxygen to the nail matrix, the area under the nail responsible for its growth. Without enough oxygen, nails can become weak and ridged. Severe cases might even cause nails to develop a spoon-like shape. Iron is crucial for forming hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen, while B12 supports the health of nerves and red blood cells. A deficiency in either can lead to poor oxygenation and disrupted keratin production, causing visible nail changes. This condition is more common in women, particularly during menstruation or pregnancy, when iron needs are higher. Vegetarians and vegans are also at risk, as plant-based diets often lack sufficient B12 and heme iron. Addressing anemia through dietary changes or supplements can significantly improve nail health and restore their smooth appearance. 2. Plant-based diet challenges. Vegans and vegetarians often face unique challenges in maintaining optimal nail health due to the absence of key nutrients like vitamin B12 and heme iron in their diets. Unlike non-heme iron from plant sources, heme iron found in animal products is more bioavailable, meaning it's easier for the body to absorb and use. B12, on the other hand, is almost exclusively found in animal-derived foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. A deficiency in these nutrients can lead to anemia, fatigue, and the development of vertical ridges on nails. Over time, inadequate B12 and iron levels can disrupt the nail matrix, slowing keratin production and causing brittleness. While plant-based eaters can obtain non-heme iron from sources like lentils, spinach, and fortified cereals, absorption is often hindered by compounds like phytates in grains and legumes. Pairing these foods with vitamin C-rich options, like citrus fruits or bell peppers, can boost absorption. For B12, fortified foods and supplements are essential, as plant sources like seaweed and fermented foods don't provide reliable amounts. To overcome these challenges, vegans and vegetarians should prioritize nutrient-dense foods, consider regular blood tests to monitor levels, and supplement when necessary. This proactive approach not only supports nail health but also enhances overall well-being. 3. Digestive problems. Your digestive system plays a crucial role in nutrient absorption, and when it's compromised, your nail health can suffer. Conditions like acid reflux, bloating, indigestion, and gut inflammation can significantly hinder your body's ability to absorb key nutrients such as iron, calcium, B12, and folate, all essential for strong, healthy nails. Without adequate absorption, the keratin production process is disrupted, leading to brittle nails and pronounced vertical ridges. One common issue is low stomach acid, which prevents proper breakdown of food and nutrient extraction. Similarly, inflammation in the intestinal lining caused by conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or celiac disease can block the uptake of these vital nutrients. Over time, this deficiency manifests in weak, discolored, or ridged nails. To improve nutrient absorption, focus on supporting your digestive health. Consuming apple cider vinegar before meals can boost stomach acid levels, aiding in the breakdown of food. Probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi can help restore a healthy gut microbiome, improving nutrient uptake. Additionally, Digestive enzyme supplements, including those with betaine HCl and bile salts, can be invaluable for individuals with persistent digestive issues. If digestive problems persist, consult a healthcare professional for testing and personalized recommendations. 4. Thyroid dysfunction. Thyroid dysfunction, particularly hypothyroidism, can significantly affect nail health by disrupting the body's metabolic processes. The thyroid gland, located in your neck, plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism, including the growth and maintenance of your nails. When the thyroid is underactive, it can lead to slow nail growth, brittle texture, and the appearance of deep vertical ridges. One of the ways hypothyroidism impacts nails is by interfering with the body's ability to utilize nutrients like iron and vitamin B12 effectively. This can result in anemia, which further exacerbates nail abnormalities. Additionally, hypothyroidism often leads to reduced circulation, depriving the nail matrix of the oxygen and nutrients it needs to produce healthy keratin. Common symptoms of thyroid dysfunction include fatigue, weight gain, dry skin, hair thinning, and cold sensitivity, often accompanying changes in nail health. Identifying thyroid-related nail issues early can help guide appropriate interventions. If you suspect thyroid dysfunction, a blood test measuring TSH, T3, and T4 levels can provide valuable insights. Addressing thyroid health may involve medication, dietary adjustments, and supplementation. Foods rich in iodine, selenium, and zinc, such as seafood, nuts, and whole grains, can support thyroid function. 5. Chronic stress and high cortisol. Prolonged stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone essential for the body's fight-or-flight response. However, when stress becomes chronic, elevated cortisol levels can negatively impact overall health, including nail strength. High cortisol depletes essential nutrients like biotin, vitamin B7, which is crucial for the production of strong, smooth nails. It also weakens the nervous system, leading to reduced oxygen and nutrient flow to the nail matrix. When the nail matrix is deprived of oxygen and vital nutrients, keratin production slows down, resulting in brittle nails with pronounced vertical ridges. Chronic stress may also increase the likelihood of nail biting or picking, behaviors that physically damage the nail bed and exacerbate existing issues. Stress doesn't just affect nails directly, it indirectly impacts digestion and nutrient absorption. For instance, high cortisol levels can interfere with stomach acid production and gut health, further compounding nutrient deficiencies. Managing chronic stress is essential for overall well-being and nail health. Techniques like mindfulness meditation, yoga, and regular exercise can help lower cortisol levels. Incorporating adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha or rhodiola rosea may also provide support by regulating the stress response. Creating a balanced lifestyle that prioritizes rest, nutrition, and emotional well-being is key to reversing the effects of stress on nail health. 6. Nail biting. Nail biting, often a stress-related habit, can wreak havoc on your nails. This compulsive behavior causes physical trauma to the nail bed, disrupting its ability to grow healthy, strong nails. Repeated biting weakens the nail structure, making it more prone to vertical ridges, splitting, and uneven growth. Over time, the damage can extend to the surrounding skin, increasing the risk of infections and inflammation. In addition to the physical damage, nail biting impairs blood circulation to the nail matrix. This reduced blood flow limits the delivery of essential nutrients and oxygen required for keratin production. As a result, nails become brittle and develop prominent ridges. Breaking the habit of nail biting is crucial for restoring nail health. Strategies include keeping nails trimmed and filed, using bitter-tasting nail coatings, or wearing gloves to prevent access. Identifying triggers, such as stress or boredom, can also help you develop alternative coping mechanisms like stress balls or fidget tools. Incorporating stress management techniques such as mindfulness, deep breathing, and regular physical activity can further support your efforts to quit nail biting. To promote nail health and address underlying issues, consider incorporating these supplements into your routine. Cod liver oil, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, and vitamin D. Cod liver oil helps reduce inflammation and nourish the nail matrix. It promotes keratin production and improves overall nail strength. Digestive enzymes. For those struggling with nutrient absorption due to digestive issues, digestive enzymes can enhance the breakdown of food and improve the uptake of essential vitamins and minerals, such as iron, calcium, and B12. Biotin, vitamin B7 known as the nail vitamin. Biotin enhances keratin production and improves nail thickness and durability. It's especially effective for brittle nails prone to splitting. Zinc. This essential mineral plays a vital role in cell growth and repair, including the cells in your nail matrix. Zinc deficiency can lead to white spots and slow nail growth, making supplementation beneficial. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Your nails are more than just a cosmetic feature, they're a reflection of your inner health. By understanding the causes of vertical ridges and taking proactive steps, you can strengthen your nails and improve your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. See you there.